Welcome to my car and train channel. Today I want to share this stagecoach from the US Mail Postal Service. This one was going from White River Junction to Woodstock in Vermont. It's a Concord base design. So the same manufacturer as the Wells Fargo stagecoaches. Here you can see the suspension system with very long leather bands, and it's very effective. Some of the undercarriage, the mail was under the driver's seat. Inside you could put up to 9 people, 3 per row, and then there was a middle jumper seat which could accommodate 3 more passengers, so 3 and 3 and 3 in the middle. Thanks for watching this video. I have many more stagecoaches on my car and train channel.